You know, like how the last video I had made about my truck dying and not being able to work? This is a little bit different. Now, today I'm having an issue of my truck not starting, but my battery didn't die. So, in doing this, something came to mind to try to do is disconnecting my battery. There's a signal in my dashboard saying neutral secured is not detected. For all you manual truck driver guys, you don't have to even finish watching this video, but you can just to laugh at us automatic drivers. But cheers to my manual truck drivers. Anyway, I don't know, I'm just experimenting and I hope this works. As you guys know, safety first. Always gotta get your first. Okay, let's work. Alright. We got a lot of stuff going on in here, y'all boys. Okay, so here, I'm gonna use a tool to take these off. And I'm gonna disconnect those and reconnect them. Y'all don't only see the good time, y'all see the bad time. That is a 14 right now. Okay, so here all I did was just disconnect the battery terminals, and now I guess just give it a few minutes and then try to start it again. Okay, so now the truck is off, and now this is the moment of truth. Yeah, that was a fail. I don't know. So, okay, so you know how I was explaining earlier how I was having that technical difficulty? You disconnect all your battery terminals, give it a few minutes, 15, 20 minutes, however your patience lasts. Just connect them back again and then fire it up, and then there we go. So it helps, even though it may be mechanical, it can also be spiritual. So pray about it if you can, if you believe, you know, just pray, ask the Lord. You don't know, you don't understand, so just ask for help. It doesn't hurt to ask for help. So I'll see you in the next one.